Life tends to throw unexpected surprises. Stand back. We know exactly how to navigate the chaos. Construction is a dangerous business, mostly for your profit margins. But hey, at least he's ESG compliant while he's napping. Oops, wrong sourcing. Good thing my AI canceled that order before I actually blew up the hangar. Precision is key, kids. You really want to know what's inside your supply chain? No, you don't. Trust me, it's better if I just handle the secrets for you. Brazil, Africa, China, I don't speak a word of their languages, but my bot is fluent in cash flow. Surprisingly, everyone understands that. Why do I use AI? Because I actually have a life. And your 1995 ERP system is literally a crime against humanity. So, are you going to keep playing with your pocket calculator? Or are you calling LK WPC so we can finally make business? Your choice.